name is Rachel. Today we'd like to introduce to you about the functions that form an animal cell. After we finish our presentation, the other team would tell us about the functions of a plant cell. First, I'd like to begin about telling the things that are inside the animal cell. The first thing I'd like to tell you about is the nucleus. The nucleus is the control center. If you see here, there is a purple, huge circular thing in the middle of the cell. This is called a nucleus. It controls the chemical reactions and it has important information for cell division. It also has the cell's genetic information. Also, there are long strands of nucleic acids called chromosomes that store directions for all cellular activities. The next would be the nucleolus. The nucleolus is the center of the nucleus. If you see in the middle, there is a small marble-like purple circle inside the nucleus. This is called a nucleolus. Next, I'd like to tell you about the lysosome. Lysosome holds enzymes. An enzyme is something that helps chemical reactions happen faster, and it also breaks down molecules. Molecules are something that are created when two atoms are put together. Next, I'd like to tell you about the ribosome. A ribosome contains RNA and certain protein. RNAs are something that transfers DNAs and genetic information to other areas of the cell. Next would be the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum will be part of the cell membrane. It transports proteins to other places. Like I said before, the ribosomes, if you see here, they're small, tiny things, circular brown dots, and they are called the ribosomes. And then when they make the protein and send it to the endoplasmic reticulum sends the proteins to other places of the cell.
Mitochondrion is the powerhouses of the cell. Rod-shaped structures perform aerobic respiration in which chemicals and food are changed into energy. Vacuole is a sac-like structure that stores water and food. They also store waste materials before the substances are passed out of the cell. Orgy apparatus is a group of folded membranes in cytoplasm that helps with transporting things. Cytoplasm is a gel-like substance between the nucleus and the cell membrane. It contains a large amount of water and cell structures and chemicals that have specific functions in the cell are located in the cytoplasm. Cell membrane covers the cell and it gives the cell shape like a protective fence around the factory. So this was the animal cell. We hope that you understand the important structures of an animal cell.
Humans have this cell too. Cells are part of what makes us now. We should be thankful, right, Alice?
Yes.
This was the end of our short time cell briefing.
Thank you.
See you next time at 9 p.m. on CNN News.